This release masterfully blends classic design with modern flair, reimagining the storied Air Max 90 silhouette through Patta's distinctive creative lens. A sleek particle gray outperforms a neutral foundation, punctuated by striking sapphire accents that bring vibrant contrast. This mix of subtle and bold makes the sneaker ideal for daily wear while maintaining an exclusive appeal. The signature wavy midsole, a hallmark of the Patta collaboration, adds dynamic visual energy and depth to the design. Beyond aesthetics, the Patta x Nike Air Max 90 Waves excels in build quality and material selection. Premium leather and breathable mesh elevate both comfort and durability, ensuring a top-tier feel. Custom insole graphics and co-branded tongue tags highlight the meticulous attention to detail, adding layers of character to the shoe. These thoughtful elements, paired with its standout look, make the sneaker a coveted piece for collectors and fashion-savvy enthusiasts alike.